right leg. Step out with your left, dig, and then step back. All right? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. To step with your left. 1, back to the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Make sure you join me every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the next in-person class will be announced really, really soon.